Hey guys, welcome to ProSpin 95 Table Tennis. This is Coach Win, this is Coach Ram, and we are Team ProSpin 95. Our game is fast, but if you think perfect footwork is an automated body response, you are wrong.
Good footwork is a huge factor which determines whether you are a good table tennis player. Your opponent is not going to place the ball where you are. He'll always try to make you move and put you in an awkward position to play the ball.
To tackle these kind of situations, you need to have good footwork skills. Let's look at two such basic footwork you need to master first, which is mostly used close to the table. The basic footwork number one, the one-step pattern. This is the simplest footwork which is used when the ball is not too far and can be reached by taking a single step to get to your right position to play the ball. It can be a short step or a long step depending on the ball placement. To practice this drill, get into your ready position first. Move your right foot if the ball is on your right side. Move your left foot if the ball is on your left side. Using this one-step footwork, you can move in three directions. First is forward. Second is sideways. Third is backwards. This applies to your backhand as well.
If you observe all the advanced or professional players, you would notice that they give utmost importance to the footwork training. They work on their footwork drills every single day over and over again to improve and fine-tune their footwork skills, which helps them to handle any kind of awkward situation during the game.
The second basic footwork pattern, the shuffle step, also called side-to-side pattern. This is the main footwork pattern you would be using most of the time during a game. The shuffle footwork is done by moving both your feet simultaneously, which helps you move fast from side to side. It is recommended that you include your stroke actions along with your footwork drills to get that good rhythm in executing your stroke with precise foot movement. To practice this drill, first get into your ready position. If you want to move to your right or from backhand to forehand, you have to move your left foot first. Push your left foot to increase your power to move quickly to your right. Same way, if you want to move to your left or from forehand to backhand, you have to move your right foot first. Push your right foot to increase your power to move quickly to your left. By having good footwork skills, your whole body will be in sync and have the ability to respond with the correct leg movement and body position to hit the ball. Having good footwork skills will not only make you quick and precise, but also enables you to maintain good body balance at all times while playing your strokes. Make sure you practice the footwork drills along with the strokes shown on the videos above. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth training videos and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification for all our new videos.